Hallo, liebe Leute. Let's take a look at your exercise. Wir fahren weg. Yeah, wir fahren weg. We go away. Yeah, we travel. We go away. So we're in a unit about travel. Yeah, reisen. So let's talk about some places that we might go. Yeah. Also, so your exercise here has given you the names of some cities. You're supposed to say which of these things you can find in these cities, yeah, and then you're going to tell me where the cities are, okay? So I'm going to look down here on my other little screen so I go in the right order. Your example was Kassel, yeah, and in the Kassel, well, not the Kassel, in Kassel, the city of Kassel, also you find der Herkules. It's this thing right here, yeah. Also it's some sort of a monument. I forget. I've never been there myself. But apparently it's one of the things that the city is known for. Whoever wrote our textbook must have come from Kassel because they talk about it all the time. And this is the only book that I have ever used that even refers to Kassel. So I don't know why they care, but apparently they care much more than most people do. Kassel ist hier. Kassel liegt in der Mitte von Deutschland. Yeah, Kassel liegt, it lies in the middle of Germany, in der Mitte von Deutschland, okay? At the bottom of this activity, right here, you have those phrases. Also im Westen, im Norden, im Osten, im Süden, and in der Mitte. Those are your directions. Where in the country is it? And then von Deutschland, of Germany, von Österreich, of Austria, von der Schweiz, of the Switzerland, yeah? Also, so you're going to tell me where each one of the cities are. All right, so Kassel, ja, Kassel liegt in der Mitte von Deutschland. All right, next up is Zurich. Zurich, and if you look on your map, you can see it. It's peeking out behind right there. That's why I gave you another link to a map if you needed it. Zurich, also in Zurich, findet man, let's see, what have we got here for Zurich? In Zurich findet man Schokolade. Yeah, Schokolade. The Swiss are known for their chocolate. Lindt is one of the most popular brands. You can get it here in the US too. Lindt Schokolade, ja, das kommt aus der Schweiz und aus Zurich. And here's Zurich. Zurich liegt im Norden von der Schweiz. Ja, Zurich liegt im Norden von der Schweiz. It's in the north of Switzerland, Switzerland. Okay, what's up next? Dresden. Dresden liegt hier. Dresden liegt im Osten von Deutschland. Yeah, im Osten. It's in the east of Germany, one of the biggest eastern cities. And if you go to Dresden, you will find die Frauenkirche. Yeah, die Frauenkirche is in Dresden. Also, been to Dresden a couple of times, yeah. I saw the Frauenkirche being remodeled. It's been recent, yeah, like in the last 10 years. 20 years ago, this church was not standing. It got completely destroyed in World War II. You can Google this, yeah. Also, it was down to just rubble. In our last textbook, when I first started teaching, the picture of the Frauenkirche was a pile of rubble. But then they decided after reunification to rebuild it. So you can sort of see in this picture, see how it looks like some of the bricks are gray instead of light colored. Those are the bricks that they were able to salvage, yeah, from the rubble, including this one section of the building. That's the only section of the building, that one on the left-hand side. That's not a shadow. Yeah, it's that one part is the one piece that was left standing after Dresden was firebombed at the end of World War II. They rebuilt the whole rest of the thing, and it is gorgeous. Highly recommend going to see it if you happen to be in Dresden. Yeah, which could happen because it's only a couple hours from Berlin. All right, what do we got next before I talk too much about Dresden? München. In München findet man Brezel und Weißwurst. Yeah, pretzel, Weißwurst, white sausage. Another thing that would be fun to Google. Yeah, Weißwurst is a Bavarian specialty. Yeah, and you eat it. I think of it kind of like sausage go-gurt. Yeah, it's soft inside, so you can cut the end off and like like you would eat a go-gurt, except it's sausage. Or you can slice it open and spoon it out. Yeah, either way, you eat it with this sweet mustard and a pretzel, often for breakfast. Yeah. So anyway, München. München definitely known for Brezel und Weißwurst. Und München ist hier. München liegt im Süden von Deutschland. In the south. Im Süden von Deutschland. All right, what do we got next? Konstanz. Konstanz. Oh, I always forget where Konstanz is. Uh-oh, I gotta actually look. Hold on. Konstanz. Oh, that's right. It's near the Bodensee. I'm pretty sure. Let me just double check. Because of Lake Constance. And it might be on the Swiss side, but hang on, I'll double check since I'm doubting myself suddenly. Ja, das stimmt. Okay, so it's not on the map. What the heck? How are you supposed to know that? Konstanz, it's right here. It's in Deutschland. Ja. Also, und das ist an der Bodensee. It's on the Bodensee. Yeah, right here is the Bodensee. I can remember that Konstanz is on the Bodensee because we call the Bodensee Lake Constance. Yeah. So in English, Lake Constance. In German, Bodensee. And Konstanz is da. I'm kind of concerned that it's not on the map, though. Moment, let me take a look. Well, it's not on my map over here, too. Almost certain, though, that it's in Deutschland. So das ist im Süden von Deutschland. Yeah, it's in the south of Germany. Toll. On the Bodensee, Germany's largest lake. Okay, let's see. What's up next? Up next, we've got Bochum. Bochum ist hier. Bochum ist im Westen von Deutschland. Im Westen von Deutschland. Yeah, it's in the west, and it's in the Ruhrgebiet. The Ruhrgebiet, yeah. Also Ruhrgebiet is the the Ruhr region. Also, can we see it on this map? Not so easily, but the Rhine and the Ruhr River are both right through here, okay? And in the Ruhrgebiet, in the area of the Ruhr River, is a lot of industry. So that's why you've got whatever kind of a plant this is here. A manufacturing plant. Lots of industry in the Ruhrgebiet, yeah, in Bochum. If you end up maybe doing an internship in Germany, you might end up in this area over here in the Ruhrgebiet along the Rhine River because a large majority of Germany's population lives there in the manufacturing area. All right, what's up next? Hamburg. Hamburg liegt im Norden von Deutschland. Da ist es. Hamburg. Okay, and Hamburg is known for its Hafen. It's one of the major harbors. Hafen. Yeah, one of the major harbors of Germany. Hamburg and Bremen, right up here. Yeah. On the Nordsee. On the North Sea. This is the North Sea right here. And you go up these rivers, up the, is that the Elbe? Yeah, up the Elbe, and yeah, this one right here that I forgot the name of, but it's right there, tiny. So you go up those rivers to the harbors, and that's where most of the products that are imported into Germany end up landing. Yeah, Hamburg is a huge city. It was Germany's largest city until Berlin was reunified. Now Berlin's the biggest. Yeah, but okay, Wien. Wien is Vienna, and it's right here. It's almost over on the Hungarian border. Im Osten von Österreich. It's in the east of Austria. Im Osten von Österreich, also is Wien. And Wien is known, among other things, for the Riesenrad. Yeah, it's Ferris wheel. It's got a Ferris wheel at one of its parks. Yeah. Not nearly as big as some of the ones in the world now, the London Eye and, other touristy Ferris wheels, but at its time it was quite popular. It's been in several movies, yeah. The Riesenrad in Wien. Okay, guys, so many awesome different places to visit. Yeah, also most of my experiences in the East, yes, coming out of Berlin, I can tell you all about Berlin and Potsdam and Magdeburg and Dresden and Leipzig and Rostock. I've been to Rostock and have I been to Schwerin? I think I've been to Schwerin and Hamburg. Like this is the area that I know is Eastern Germany. Little bit of München, been to München, Salzburg, Wien, not to Switzerland yet. Switzerland's really expensive. And then I've been over here to Saarbrücken too. Oh, in Frankfurt, yeah. So anything you want to know, yeah, I am happy to tell you all about Deutschland if you would like to travel there, which I hope you will. And I hope you'll go with me and you'll go on the exchange once we're able to travel again. Yeah. One can dream, right? All right. Cheers.